First grades for the CCB are, and that's a small claims copyright court set up by the Case Act in 2022, designed as an alternative to expensive federal litigation, and that caps damages at $30,000. And here's what the numbers say. The grade I'd give it is about a B plus. 1,700 plus claims filed, but unfortunately about 60% of those were dismissed for being non-compliant, which makes sense when you realize about 70% of the plaintiffs were self-represented or pro se plaintiffs. Makes sense they would miss formalities of the complaint process. Only 43 final determinations. That seems like a low number, less than 5%. But when you realize there were over 120 documented settlements from the CCB process, it means that it's working as they'd hope. People are sitting down and resolving and settling their issues. Now, as far as actual numbers, highest payout, less than $12,000. That's less than I thought it would be. Number of opt-outs, which is an interesting provision where a respondent can opt out. Only a third of respondents opt out. That's also less than I thought it would be. And about a 50-50 split for outcomes in favor of plaintiff and defendant. Now, what's interesting is it is taking longer than they expected, about 18 to 24 months for a case turnaround, which they're hoping they can fix by enacting a mediation process to fast-track decisions, as well as amending the complaint process to lead to less dismissal. So hopefully that goes well. So for the most part, it's working as they had hoped. Payouts a bit less than expected, and people are still running into procedural issues because of difficulties with the complaint process. Your mind is your property. File for more.